सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ध्येय आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
In the ancient times, people had no books, no paper, neither did they have any such media to pass on their culture, knowledge or history to others. The only source to preserve their history and existence was paintings. These paintings described a lot about their lifestyle, rituals and stories of their existence. All these information are collected through excavation which reveal a lot about those times. India has some amazingly rich history in terms of cave paintings and drawings. One such among many of the cave paintings is from the state of Madhya Pradesh. It is the Bhimbetka caves located in the Raisen district near Bhopal. Bhimbetka caves are located in the foothills of Vindhya hill range. Most of the speculation about these caves are that right from the late of Acheulean period around 10,000 BCE right up to the late Neolithic period around 1000 BCE, humans from hominids to Homo sapiens have been present in Bhimbetka. While the Bhimbetka rock art has not been dated formally, experts have asserted with some certainty that human settlements have existed in the region uninterrupted since at least 10,000 BCE. The credit to the discovery of these caves goes to Dr. V.S. Wakankar in the years 1957 and 1958. The paintings found inside the caves are one of the oldest around the world. The paintings inside these caves are from the Paleolithic period to medieval period. The Paleolithic period or age was the era when humans learnt to make tools and weapons from stones. These caves are also a part of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The Bhimbetka cave derives its name from the epic Mahabharata. It is believed that the Pandavas came to these caves after they were banished from their kingdom. The caves are named after Bhim, one of the 5 Pandavas. Bhimbetka simply means the sitting place of Bhim. The Bhimbetka cave illustrates the stories and life of the people belonging to those times. The rock paintings in the cave have numerous layers. Even the high ceilings are covered with paintings. The inside of the caves depict a range of human activities of those times. Hunting inscriptions and paintings depict how the activity itself evolved over time and the weapons used in the process. There are also depictions of dances, burials, social activities like drinking and transportation of dead animals, and personalized activities of birth and childcare. Religious symbols like flying chariots, trees as gods, and a Nataraj figure holding a trishul. Worshipping nature could be seen in the Bhimbetka paintings. Many animals like elephant, bison, tiger, and deer, and snake paintings can also be seen in these artwork. The painting also shows hunting scenes and war scenes with men carrying weapons like bows, arrows, spears, shields and swords. Some paintings also have simple geometric designs and symbols. The paintings reveal people collecting honey, dancing, decoration of bodies, disguise and animal fights. Most of the social life is depicted in these paintings. The color scheme of these paintings was mostly dominated by red and white. Various other colors were also used like yellow and green. The colors were prepared by combining manganese, hematite, soft red stone and wooden charcoal. Extract from the leaves and fat of the animals were also used to make the mixture of the colors. The paintings found in the rock shelters here have a striking resemblance to the ones discovered in Kakadu National Park in Australia, to the cave paintings of Bushmen in Kalahari Desert an Upper Paleolithic cave painting in France. Out of the 760 rock shelters, around 500 are decorated with paintings.